Elon Musk could live anywhere in the world, but the tech billionaire doesn't spend his days in a seaside mansion. He's reportedly living somewhere near SpaceX in Boca Chica, Texas, in a small house. It makes me wonder if there is anything left to do in this world that Elon hasn't already done. He already owns land and space. The truth is, sometimes it feels like he's here to change the world on every level. Our lives and homes like this are a step toward that goal. Do you want to know more? Then keep watching this video. Welcome to Elon Musk's Take. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on the SpaceX Tesla Starship, or basically anything related to the talented, influential tech icon and billionaire Elon Musk. With that being said, let's get started. If you are an avid follower of modern technology and follow all things Elon Musk's latest announcement, you must have heard the big news. Elon Musk recently revealed some amazing new ideas for Tesla's first tiny house, which will be filled with cutting-edge technology and high-tech futuristic gadgets. Tesla Motors CEO Musk owns a house that costs much less than a Tesla car. However, it was Tesla's crazy new compact, sustainable tiny house that prompted him to make an official announcement. He announced in a statement on June 14 that he will sell his home. In fact, he stated in his last article that his head residence is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, which I might suggest we call Starbase, which he rents from SpaceX. One follower noted that Musk is still struggling with his relationship with the media and haters, citing criticism of Musk's wealth. The sale of his mansion has now also been teased, with this follower revealing that Musk now lives in the house. The Boxable Casita is a $50,000 prefab house that is not yet widely available, but will soon help alleviate the housing shortage. There is no doubt that the designer of Musk's resident Tesla is a man of many talents. But who built it and who designed it? This title goes to Boxable. In November 2021, Boxable released a video on YouTube and announced that their company recently completed a Villa Casita Boca Chica for a high-profile and top-secret client. SpaceX appears to have a relationship with this customer. Elon Musk might be this client. According to Boxable co-founder Galliano Tiramani, there are some reasons why the house in the factory is not working yet, so we went over all of them and resolved all issues. He also believes that other panel houses face the same challenges in shipping logistics. It is designed as a studio apartment for 1 or 2 people. The idea is that this will target additional housing that becomes increasingly popular in California. That's why Spark Boxable founder Galliano Tiramani decided to launch the brand in 2017 with the goal of transforming building construction around the world into factory assembly lines. Like any other product, although some processes require lifting equipment, the rest is relatively simple and can be handled by humans. When the outer wall is unfolded, it becomes a floor and the 2 side walls are visible after the roof has been unfolded. When the roof is folded back, the floor and 2 side walls are visible. This covers the entire structure. The Boxable Casita is described as a studio apartment in a box, designed to be environmentally friendly and energy efficient. The temporary home has 5 rooms, including a kitchen, bathroom, living room, bedroom, and media room. The box house is listed at $49,500 and includes a refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, microwave, built-in ironing center, and low energy consumption. This technology reduces monthly electricity bills. There are several reasons why people prefer boxes due to housing shortages. The biggest is the cost of their time and labor efficiency in building a house factory. Currently, almost 50,000 people are waiting for the company and are on the company's waiting list. Persons interested in the company's manufactured housing portfolio, which consists of more than 100,000 units. It's not just because Elon Musk's fans want to live like him at all costs. In fact, Boxable reportedly has a waiting list of 40,000 people before Musk's fans can join. The average time to build a house is about 7 months. Boxable had then built 3 houses so far. The company operates a brand new 170,000 square meter factory and is on the verge of completing new orders. Additionally, the 19.5 by 19.5 buildings can be stacked and connected to create larger buildings. But if you're looking for a bigger home, you might have to wait a little longer. Tiramani said the company plans to launch larger units in the region. Tiramani says Musk's ties to the brand are sparking interest from a wide audience. The target audience heard about it beforehand, he said, and then Musk's news sparked interest from a broad audience, perhaps people who at first didn't care about prefab housing. Boxable claims that folding houses are essential to increase shipping efficiency. Typically, these modular homes are 14 feet wide and require an escort on trucks and the well-known wide cargo sign while driving on the highway. The folding house is only 8 feet wide, so it does not require special user assistance. Therefore, the house can be sent anywhere with low transport costs. I think the only way to solve the housing problem is with technology-driven solutions like this, Tiramani said. It's really a matter of supply and demand. If there is more supply, the price will drop. Within the first few weeks, the company began placing its first order for 156 homes with the Department of Defense. In the future, the hope is to expand the business and build more houses. There are currently more than 100,000 people on the waiting list hoping to find their next home. You can get free shipping in some states, but remote areas may incur additional charges. Please note that the price includes license shipping and packaging, but other fees may apply. The property has installed plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning. Maybe you are wondering why Elon got rid of all his extra belongings. It appears that Musk did this to cut back his carbon footprint as large as possible. Musk doesn't have a yacht either, like other billionaires who own homes worth millions of dollars. Musk has been working hard. After years of living that way, Musk has downgraded his home. Not surprisingly, despite his constant insistence that he would. As far as we know, Musk does not regret his decision at all. Additionally, Musk is known to have suspended Tesla's Bitcoin payments. Based on the concern of sustainable development, he believes that sustainable development is one of Tesla's core values. So he wants to live in a small house. Small homes generally use less energy and require less space than a traditional house. They are also durable and can withstand snow. Therefore, these houses have less impact on the environment. He once owned several large mansions, but sold the last one in December 2021. Futurists report that he sold his last home for $30 million and moved into a small home regardless. It's unclear if he's still renting the manufactured home he previously rented or if he now owns a $50,000 manufactured home. Regardless of the circumstances, we believe this is a more sustainable lifestyle than owning multiple properties and different mansions. We're all on board. But what about Tesla's tiny house? There's no evidence he was inspired by the Boxable house to build his own. But a self-contained towable Tesla house just went on a road trip around Australia. But it's actually not a house, but a cute trailer designed to showcase Tesla's energy products for the home. Powered entirely by the sun using a 2-kilowatt solar panel system and a Tesla Powerwall power bank, the Tesla Tiny House is a mobile design studio that shows how a home can generate clean energy. Maybe one day Tesla will take the next step and start building their own box houses. Do you think Tesla will come with a self-sustaining house anytime soon? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and most importantly, if you like. Updated for every Elon Musk related topic, you need to consider subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. We're done for now. See you next time.